Twilight fans, now you can take the epic trilogy with you with these hot Edward and Jacob ringtones. Just text Edward is the man for me 77873 to 6969.
What? I love that show! I can't afford not to!
Downloading ringtone to your phone.
Hey everybody, this is Jacob. I have pecs. Check out my new movie, Stretch Armstrong, coming out this spring.
Yeah, this is Edward. It's gonna be really cool. I'm a vampire, blah.
Oh my god, it sounds just like them. It's like they're in my pocket.
Downloading additional ringtones.
Oh wait, hang on, what?
Hey everyone, it's Lisa Lampanelli. I like to have sex with tons of black dudes and make them my bitch.
What the?
You can download all my ringtones of me acting like a whore at whalesvagina.biz.
What? I don't want this at all. It sounds like a fat Godzilla.
Charging your credit card.
Wait, stop. What are you doing? Edward, Jacob, what are you doing?
Selling your information to spammers.
Hey there, partner. I hear you like Edward ringtones, but guess what? I know you also like vacuums. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to come inside your house. I'm going to invade your space. I'm going to take my vacuum and vacuum your entire carpet without you even asking. Then I'm going to turn on the power switch. I'm going to plug it into the wall over here. I'm going to vacuum your couch. I don't want to vacuum. I know you like it when your couch is vacuumed. So guess what after that?
Get out of my house.
You're going to buy this vacuum. How much you willing to
pay?
Who
are
you?
About dying.
What's going on right now? I don't understand.
Already
Yo,
dead.
I'm
in your house.
I'm
standing around and not gonna dance with you. Dance Mrs. Royal. Let's do some dance. Time to dance. Time to dance. Dancing everywhere. I know you're here with your cool pants. Those pants are pretty cool. My pants are pretty cool. I like it.
I was at the grocery store and I only had $5, so I had to figure out what I was going to buy.
Did you hear that?
Toilet paper or apples, but I'm not an idiot.
Shut up, Dominic. I think Mike's in trouble.
You really want to stop me in the highlight, the best part of my story?
Mike could be dying.
Well, I died once, and no one cared about that.
Come on, let's go.
Brian, Dominic, thank God.
Man, Mike sure has a lot of dads.
Dominic, these aren't dads. These are salesmen. I don't know why you're always confusing these things. This is one of the 12 reasons why I can't take you to the mall.
Shut up and help me.
Mike, what did you do?
The only thing I did today was download a ringtone.
Mike, I told you all those ringtone things were scam.
I don't care. Just make it stop. Please, make it stop.
Dom, call his phone. See if we can hear it ring. Hang on, I think I hear it.
Everyone shut up!
Is that a Twilight ringtone?
Hey, it's a really good movie. Edward loves her so much.
Got it. It's right here. Just under the cap.
Okay, all we have to do is text STOP to 6969.
Don't want it, then I'm
Oh, thanks, pals. I really owe you one.
Mike, just go back to your old ringtone.
Oh yeah, the Growing Pains theme. That's a classic. You know, you guys are right. This one really is me.